I had a high ambition for a little while, then I decided I went to it really fast. They're not easy to run. They're stupid fast.
The high roller.
Yeah.
Yeah, the balance side.
Yeah. Think about riding it tomorrow.
Oh, that's fun.
On behalf of this flight crew at Frontier Airlines, welcome to Las Vegas. The local time is 7:42. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, all carry-on items stowed, and the aisle clear until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful opening the overhead bins as items tend to shift during flight. You may now turn off game or airplane mode on your portable electronic devices and use your cell phones if they are available to you at your seat. As you're checking that seat back pocket for any of your personal items, if you could do us a favor and place any trash you find on your seat. This will assist us in getting the aircraft ready for its next departure.
Yep.
I think I saw it.
A customer service agent will be available in the gate area to answer any questions regarding connections or baggage claim. Customers needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of passengers have deplaned.
Yeah, I was sick when I got there.
We are on an active taxiway. Everyone needs to be seated with seatbelts fastened.
Like some food poisoning?
He just doesn't eat it.
Wheelchairs will not be made available until the end of the deplaning process. This will also allow us to better assist you. Visit flyfrontier.com next time you fly to get our lowest fares done right. We have enjoyed our flight with you today, and thank you for choosing Frontier Airlines.